Good morning, respected employers, my HR fraternity friends and colleagues, and cross-functional friends and colleagues. Today, I am going to talk about a decades-old concept, that is total quality management. It had taken a high momentum at a point of time. Many organizations followed it in letter and spirit, and of course they have got the benefit of TQM as a process, as a continuous process, as a continued process, as a matter of building organizational culture and capabilities. To repeat, what is TQM? TQM is a management system in a customer-focused organization that involves all employees in continuous improvement. So continuous improvement is the word, and continuous improvement results in delivering customer delight, customer satisfaction, customer retention, customer expansion, so on and so forth. Therefore, what TPM stands for? TPM basically stands for customer service. The moment we ensure customer service, whether by products or services, organization success is assured. Second is, it improves business efficiency as also effectiveness that contributes in the top and bottom line of the organization, both financially and other dimensions and variables. In the process, it also gives competitive edge to the organization to compete over the competition over a period of time as it comes, and as it continue to come and will continue to come forever. So next is what we need to do to achieve these three parameters: customer service, business efficiency, competitive advantage, is a shared agenda across the organization. Organization meaning entire set of people, entire combination of people in the organization. Therefore, everybody, everyone, every level, every function has to be involved in the process of total quality management. Of course, top management has the biggest, highest, and has to have a very radical approach, radical mindset, set mindset, as also patience, perseverance, cost bearing capacity to implement TQM in an organization, to derive the benefit of long term in the process of TQM process implementation and measuring its effectiveness over a period of time. There are 8 elements in total quality management. Number 1 is it has to be customer focused. It has to engage total employees, that is, it requires total employee involvement. It has to be process centered, because process are to be systems driven, and process has to be measured, process are to be road mapped, so on and so forth. And all the functions, all the processes are to be integrated way. So integrated system has to be there in the total quality management, and continuous improvement has no substitute. We will never have a substitute. So continuous and continual improvement has to be there and is a pillar of total quality management out of the other pillars, as I said just now. Following that, TQM has to be fact-based decision-making process. That means decision support system information has to be derived from the organization so that across the level, across the functions, top management or the management concerned for decision making at all levels are facilitated with the database fact-based so that decisions are pertinent, decisions are effective, decisions are very much right, and decisions are forward looking, and decisions are forward stabilizing, sustaining, so on and so forth. Communication. Yes, the moment we say it needs involvement of every employee, it is for sure that TQM has to be conceived, processed, implemented in such a way that each and every employee in the organization are aware of what we are going to do, what we need to do, how their involvement is necessary, what are the progress parameters, what are the dimensions and variables are to be attended to, where everybody's contribution is required, and how those contributions are to be measured, so on and so forth, so that each and every individual in the organization contributes, and in the process of continual improvement, continual business efficiency, continuous competitive edge building, and continuous giving services to the customers at a delight level. So TQM needed is to survive, is to compete. In my earlier video, I have talked about total world-class manufacturing system, world-class services, as also world-class marketing, as also world-class quality management. If an organization combines, correlates TQM and WCM in a strategic way, for sure that organization will excel, and will excel. Hopefully, I could give in some food for thought or rethought, or try to bring out somewhat, not at the pace in the organization. If the organizations follow these WCM and TQM process in a combined way, designing it in a way that becomes practicable to conceive, to implement, to activate, and to derive result. In description part, I have given some much more detail, so hopefully the audience, the viewers of my videos will try to take note of my suggestions to take TQM, WCM, or TQM or WCM as they may like, so that they can grab the benefit of the future, protecting the present, as also looking forward for excellence, and excellence. Thank you very much.